This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately. File and dehydrate the nail so chrome adheres. Once done, apply a thin gel base coat and cure 30-60 seconds under an LED lamp. This locks the base and prevents bubbling. Make sure to avoid oily residue. Wipe with 99% alcohol. If your base leaves a heavy inhibition layer, buff gently to reduce tack. You want enough stick for chrome but not wetness that causes smearing. This sets the foundation for a mirror finish. Next, apply a thin layer of no-wipe gel top or chrome-specific topper and cure as directed. This gives a tack-free surface to buff pigment. Once cured, dip a sponge applicator or silicone tool into the chrome pigment and rub using small circular motions. Pressure controls coverage, so start light. You want full reflective coverage without scratches, so keep going until mirror effect appears. After buffing, remove excess powder with a soft brush and inspect. Correct streaks now before sealing. To finish, apply a generous but even layer of gel top coat and cure fully, making sure to cap the free edge. This locks the chrome and prevents chipping. If you notice dull spots, you can reapply a tiny amount of pigment to that area and reseal immediately. If smearing or lifting occurs, remove the polish back to natural, rebalance the nail with proper dehydration and a new base. Then repeat the chrome steps. This corrects adhesion problems and ensures a long-lasting mirror finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.